In this section, we are going to get familiar with strings in JavaScript. So, what's a string? Simply put, a string is a collection of characters used to represent words and sentences. Let's kick things off by declaring a string. Let name equals Jane, and then console log name. As you can see, we used double quotes to define or delimit a string. JavaScript gives us 3 different ways to define a string: double quotes, single quotes, or backticks. We can achieve the same thing using single quotes like this: name equals single quotes Jane, console log name. Stylistically, single and double quotes are interchangeable. However, it is a good practice to stick to one style throughout your project for consistency. Meanwhile, using backticks to denote a string provides some additional functionality that we'll discuss in a second. In this tutorial, we are going to proceed using double quotes to denote strings. Now, say we want to print a sentence, "My name is Jane," using the variable name. Here's how to do it. Let name equals Jane, and then console log my name is plus name plus dot, and the result is my name is Jane. We can use the plus operator to glue words or sentences together. This is called string concatenation. Going back to backticks, we can achieve the same effect by using backticks to denote a string. Instead of using plus, we can use backticks and a special syntax to embed variables directly into our string. Check it out. Console log backticks my name is $, curly brackets, name. And we get my name is Jane. See how clean that is? This mechanism is known as string interpolation or template literals. Anything placed between curly brackets will be evaluated and converted to a string at that specific position. This can be a variable, as shown in the example above, or an expression. Console log 5 times 2 is... Here, 5 times 2 is evaluated, and the result, 10, is seamlessly included in our string. That's a quick tour of strings in JavaScript. Experiment with these concepts to get a solid understanding.